Good afternoon, entrepreneurs and business owners. My name is James Thomas, and I am the Executive Director for Monfichet & Company Atlanta. Guys, so here it is. I understand how important it is to develop an online presence for your small business. So today, I will discuss how to utilize social media for your small business. Using social media for your small business is extremely important, not only for the obvious. Many people use social media believing that that's the only way you can obtain your clients. But social media is much more than that. Social media can be used to develop social engagement with personalized marketing. What does that mean? Creating marketing that connects with your target market. Here's the thing. The algorithm is thirsty for new content, and this is your opportunity to provide the algorithm with exactly what it needs. The engagement that I recommend will always be in personalization. Personalizing the content so that it meets your client's needs and reflects your business core values. I believe in giving the clients what they want by tailoring the customer's experience. Organic content marketing. The team of experts at Monfichet & Company Atlanta, we believe that all engagement begins with organic engagement. Small business owners should focus on organic engagement. You should focus on developing a platform that organically reaches the masses. But before you're able to do that, you have to be able to understand your target market. And you need to know where you can find them online and on what social media platform. Here's the thing. I understand that so many businesses want to work in their business and not work on the marketing piece. So if you're unable to develop your target market, I recommend that you outsource that task. When you're developing organic engagement, you have to understand your product and service. You also need to focus on the needs and wants of all of your customers. Personalized content. In order to successfully produce organic content, we recommend implementing a two-part strategy. Understand what your industry is currently producing. Number two, understand what your clients and potential customers want. Once you understand these specific strategies, then you can commit to organic content marketing. When creating content marketing for your clients, make sure that it reflects the vision of your business. Creating content marketing can be time-consuming to any small business or startup. It's important to create a budget that must be maintained for at least 12 months at a time. Service details. In order to control the social marketing aspect of social media, the experts at Monfichet & Company Atlanta recommend the implementation of a social media manager. Before you employ a social media manager, we also recommend that you define your business, identify the mission and vision, as well as goals and objectives. Determine how involved you want to be in the process, and understand that a social media manager will review your content, create a social media post, and share it with the online community. Once those objectives are met, then the social media manager will begin learning and understanding your audience. The social media manager should perform an assessment that evaluates the scope of the business and formulates a marketing strategy that is customized to the specific business. They should also design a business profile. The business profile will be used to create, schedule, and analyze content. The social media manager should meet with the business at least once or twice a month. During the meeting, the social media manager and business owner should discuss the direction and strategies of the company. They should also discuss the likes and dislikes in order to improve engagement. At this time, I would like to discuss some of the other functions that social media platforms perform. Many social media platforms have search engines built into the platforms. These search engines allow potential customers to search and find what they're looking for. This is your opportunity as a business owner to create content that clients can rely on. Other search engines like Google rely on social media to provide them with business information and content. The algorithms search for businesses that consistently share factual content. This process is designed to grow and develop social media presence. This is also one aspect of the business's online presence. What social media platform works best? The experts at Monfitchet & Company Atlanta recommend that new businesses focus on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. As your business continues to grow, you should venture out into YouTube, Google My Business, and Twitter. LinkedIn is owned and operated by Microsoft. Microsoft and Facebook are two of the big tech companies in the United States. This is reason why it's important to list your business and use the platforms of Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Business owners and entrepreneurs, when you're deciding on a social media marketing company, make sure that their team of experts are certified project managers, social media certified, and content marketing certified. This will assure that your business is receiving the attention that it needs. The manufacturer's suggested retail price for social media management can range between $899 and $1,899. I can assure you that my monthly rates are lower than $400. If you're interested in obtaining a social media manager for your small or new business, feel free to contact us. Entrepreneurs and business owners, I want to thank you for listening to my presentation on social media management. I hope that the information I provided you will help you in your business operations. If you're interested in creating an online presence, feel free to give me a call. I would love to help your business become an industry leader.